So I'm currently heading to Melina's Bar. I think that's how you call it, for a concert night, and should be lots of fun. They have performers such as Shatter Echoes, Rice Channel, which I saw them growing up. They have Isaiah Her, which he's a friend of mine, Oscar Lee, Fresh Tao, just a good number of community musicians, local musicians, I should say, that really help inspire me, and really just great musicians. So I'm excited.
When I got here at 2 o'clock in the morning, everybody's closed, and go back to the hotel again. I don't know what it is.
Mike. What's up?
Wow, I get it.
You're always in my videos.
I know.
Naomi and Bob and friends. The concert just started right now. Hanging out with
yeah, make sure you stop by the Monster Squad table.
Give a shout to your YouTube.
Oh, this is you're recording?
Yeah. The red button is on.
Hey, what's up? This is PD Pong. Hey, we gotta collaborate. We do some stuff, all right?
For sure.
Subscribe to Pong.
Shout out to your YouTube.
Shout out to YouTube. Subscribe to Pong. He's the man. I gotta get on stage though.
That's your money, mine.
Yeah.
Event to the chat. We love Kathy. We know she will always be supporting us. Always.
Kathy, I love you. I love you. I love
Kathy. We love you.
Blossom. So can we give it up for everybody in Kathy Mochipao for all her legacy, her leadership, and her work.
Kathy.
Thank you.
You know it's not the end. It's only the beginning, girl. So what I can say is spend more money, go to the bar, buy some drinks.
We got Oscar Lee and Bunny that rock the stage.
What's up, Pong?
Can't get any better than this, so. Katie Cobb, man. Can't get any
What's up,
better
Pong?
than
You know I got so much love for you. You know you're volume 2 and 3 and 4.
For sure, chat.
Keep on making music.
Yeah, chat. For sure. Press, house, my girl. Main drummer for Shadow Echoes and for Oscar Lee and Bunny. Wannabes. Shout out to anywhere we can find you.
What?
Shout out to YouTube, Facebook.
You know, I don't have a YouTube channel yet, but you can get me on Facebook. You can get me on Facebook and further open mics that's coming up, you know. I know you can come.
Sonic Rain, the host and the drummer of anything.
Currently at Metro State University, and I'm here for the Films Festival. I'm going to be performing my original song, Kaya Tsoya. And so it should be a lot of fun. Excited to see what they have to offer for visual arts, for videos, performances. So yeah, we're currently at the panel of Journey of the Fallen Skies.
Sorry, but to answer your question, what was the most difficult thing for us? I think.
No.
We doing spoken word.
Are rocks on water. Watch us skip. Watch us float. Watch us dance.
So the worst thing a musician can be told is that they can't perform, and unfortunately they didn't have anything such as a mic stand or guitar plug or anything of that sort today. So I had to skip out on my performance, I think until tomorrow. So we'll see what goes on tomorrow. The film festival is a 3-day event, so probably come back tomorrow and perform tomorrow evening. But it just kind of bums me out that I don't get to perform. But yeah, so we'll see tomorrow. We'll see how tomorrow goes.
So it's the next day, and currently at a funeral, but we're heading to Metro State to perform. We have Steven, Neil, Peter. Yeah, so yesterday they had some difficulties, so I didn't perform. So heading there now, and yeah. So we're here at the auditorium. The guys are gonna support me and watch me sing. Just sound checked, so yeah, I think we're alright.
So we just got done over here at Metro State University for the Hmong Films Festival, and yeah, the performance was alright. Small crowd, but I think they enjoyed it, and we got to see the featured documentary by Dao Chang. Man, that was really cool. That was really touching, and I think the guys really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it too. I actually cried a little bit. So yeah, heading back to the funeral and then heading home. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and until next time.